Good PM. My name is Sebastian L. De La Cruz, and I am a student of Holy Cross, and I am a uh, computer engineer student. And here, I will discuss about the about about cloud computing. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, uh, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. So how do we understand cloud computing? Cloud computing takes its name from the fact that the data being accessed is located remotely in the cloud or another virtual environment. Customers can use cloud services to store documents and software on remote servers and then access the complete database online. So in this case, user is no need to be at a certain area to access it, for it enables in remote working. So who is using cloud computing? Or organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as a data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer facing web applications. So for example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Financial services companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. So and video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. So those are the ones who are using the cloud computing. So, what are the benefits of cloud computing? So, first, when it comes to agility of the cloud computing, the cloud gives you easy access to a broad range of technologies so that you can innovate faster and build nearly anything that you can imagine. You can quickly spin up resources as you need, and then such as compute, storage, and databases to Internet of Things, machine learning, data lakes, and analytics, and much more. The elasticity of cloud computing. With cloud computing, you don't have to over provision resources upfront to handle peak levels of business activity in the future. Instead, you provision the amount of resources that you actually need. You can scale these resources up or down to instantly grow and shrink capacity as your business needs change. It will also cost savings. About the cost savings, the cloud also allows you to trade fixed expenses. Also, it is such as data centers and physical servers for variable expenses, and only pay for IT as you consume it. Plus, the variable expenses are much lower than what you pay to do it yourself because of the economies of the scale. And what are the roles of computer engineers in development and further innovation of cloud computing in various industry? First, we have the roles. We have the business industry. Someone healthcare industry, education industry, the automation industry, and the fast food industry. So In business industry, we have this cashless applications for you to to speed up your payment or to receive money from the others. We use payments such as Gcash, PayPal, uh, what do you Paymaya, what else, and so on and so forth. So this is one of the roles of computer engineers. This is one of the roles of the computer engineer in many in various industry. So the second one, healthcare industry. Uh, about the industry, we we from our group of our thesis, we actually came up with Meditag, or we called it as a uh, taglet or a tag bracelet, where in it we take a uh, vital sign of a patient in real time. It monitors him through the web and also in mobile. So the bracelet will send sensors to the data on the main server or nurse station. Then order to do this, they must be connected to the same network. And unfortunately, it was not selected during our title defense, because it was many of those meditag or taglet was already existing, and they are finding something what is extra, that what can it do, uh, what is the extraordinary that it can do with the others. So next we have the education industry. So education industry, for example, we have the what we call this in Holy Cross is e ELMS. Uh, during the pandemic days, the ELMS was very used to was very well used, because of having a pandemic. Well, teachers cannot meet face to face, but ELMS was helpful to us, in terms of using a modular and also taking exams. So this is one of the most helpful things that the computer engineers or the IT people that have made to help the pandemic era. In the time, it was last 2 years ago. So the fourth one is the automation industry. So machines machines automation industry has a use of technologies such as computer software and robotics to control machinery and process which replace human beings in performing specific functions. Like for examples, creating a an AI, for creating an AI, creating an AI, to just for example, it was trending in Facebook. They created a robot in Jollibee, I think. Uh, it was when you order something, it will the robot will pick your order in the counter, and then it will deliver it to you. It will signal it to you. It will go to you. It will go to your table if what number, what has been if what number that was assigned to that robot. So that is one of the automation industry, that 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 the computer engineering has what they did. And also one of the industries, the fast food industry. For example, the like in McDo, the thing that looks like a big tablet. You just click on it for ordering, the the paper that the or the receipt that will be taken out by that machine, is actually is actually already registered to the counter. So you only give that receipt, and then and then the order will be, and the order is already there. So um so carries in cloud computing that you think will be the next big thing. For me, it is the about the AI. AI, like Elon Musk said, uh, he will create an AI, but it's like he said, AI is far more dangerous than nukes, which is true. As I heard that AI, they in Russia, I think they made a robot AI. Uh, they they mm, they 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 let it just uh, they let the AI uh, they left hanging the AI there, but the AI moved. He go to a something computer, and then he makes more like of him. So makes more like a more robot, just like him. So it is really dangerous to create an AI for the knowledge of those things is far more sometimes beyond to us. But AI has a limited knowledge, but we have a broad knowledge. So are you keen to pursue a career as a cloud engineer? If yes, what particular industry and why? Explain in detail. I would go for the automation industry. Yeah, I am keen to pursue a career as a cloud engineer, as as per the introduction that I've said, it is a really in high demand. So the bigger salary it is. So if yes, yes, I would pursue it. Eh, if given a chance to pursue it, I will pursue it. So what industry I would like? I would like for the automation for. I am more on machines. I am more on creating machines. I am more on technologies. I am more on being. Uh, um, I am more on um, uh, having using of the clouds. I want to be. I want to know how to code in doing a cloud. So that's all. So that's all for today. So thank you.